Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into a super handy trick, how to unblock Netflix on your iPhone. So you're traveling or maybe just want access to a wider range of shows. No problem. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Just a heads up, this is based on my own experience, and things can change, but this method works great for me. Okay, first things first, we need a VPN. Head over to the App Store and search for a VPN. There are tons of options, but for this example, I'm going to use IPVanish VPN. Once you find it, download it. I already have it downloaded, so mine shows a cloud button, but yours will say Get. Once it's downloaded, hit Open. You'll see a privacy screen, so tap Login. Now, enter your account details. Don't have an IPVanish account yet?
No worries.
Check the link in the description or the pinned comment for a special discount. Seriously, it's worth it. Okay, logged in? Great. You'll probably see that privacy screen again. Just tap an option to move forward. You might get a tutorial prompt. I'm going to skip it for now, but feel free to go through it. Then hit Finish to set up your device. Now this is important. You'll be asked to create a VPN configuration profile. Hit Allow, and enter your iPhone password. This lets the VPN actually work. Alright, back in the VPN app, you're good to go. Now, let's say I want to unlock the US version of Netflix. Tap Locations, then find the country you want, in this case, the United States. Tap on it, then hit Connect. Give it a few seconds, and boom! You're connected. Your iPhone now thinks you're in the US. Now, exit out of the VPN app, and open the Netflix app. Hit Sign In, and log into your Netflix account like normal. Pick your profile, and there you have it. You should now be seeing the US version of Netflix. To prove it, look for the top 10 programs in the US Today section. See? It's working. Just choose a show and start watching. Easy peasy. So that's it. Remember, grab that exclusive discount on IPVanish using the link in the description or the pinned comment. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more roaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.